Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to find your location on the Windy application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the settings section in the right side of the screen. Click on settings, scroll down, tap on startup layer and location. Startup location, so determine by my IP, use GPS or use last location, or add any location to your favorites to see it in the list. Tap on the GPS function, and if you click on the home icon, which is the first option in the right side of the screen, your location will be determined automatically. Here you can see it at the top of the screen and also the weather forecast of your particular area. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.